Hi, class. Welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. The top 7 fall fruits and their health benefits. A 2020 study found that vegetarians who ate a diverse mix of fruits and vegetables had a lower risk of stroke than non-vegetarians who ate meat. Additionally, health experts encourage people to eat seasonal produce items because they are at peak freshness and nutritional value. Here are the best fall fruits for the autumn season and their health benefits. Let's dive into the lesson. Kumquats. Kumquats are about the size of grapes, but they are citrus fruits and happen to be one of the best sources of fiber and vitamin C. They often show up in mid to late fall. In some areas, such as the southern United States, they are available year-round because of the warmer climates. Kumquats are the only citrus fruit that you can eat with the peel, which contains even more antioxidants than the fruit's flesh. Quinces. The quince resembles a lumpy, slightly larger pear, exhibiting a bright green skin. Quince is naturally rich in vitamin C, potassium, copper, fiber, and antioxidants. Most people boil quince to enjoy it, as that's the best way to enjoy the best flavor. You can add the flesh to juices, tarts, sweet treats, and purees. Pears. Pears are a hydrophilic food, meaning they fill you up quickly and love water. Pears contain the complex carbohydrate known as pectin, which acts as a detox agent, immune system stimulant, and gastrointestinal tract regulator. According to several studies, eating pears on a regular basis may help reduce bad cholesterol levels and regulate the body's absorption of sugar. Cranberries. Fresh cranberries are only available for a limited time, typically from mid to late fall. Cranberries are a valuable source of plant compounds. Cranberries go great in sauces, pies, scones, muffins, salads, smoothies, and desserts. Cranberries can improve memory and lower bad cholesterol. Apples. Apples are the quintessential fall fruit, and one of the best fall outings is to go apple picking at an orchard. Apples are an excellent source of fiber and vitamin C. They may help to reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Flavonoids, which are also present in apples, may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and general cognitive decline. Grapes. Although grapes are available year-round, they boast their best flavor during the fall. Grapes don't seem to get a lot of attention when it comes to nutrition, but they are excellent sources of vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants that contain an anti-inflammatory compound that keeps your skin looking young. Grapes also contain another antioxidant that has ties to longevity. Passion fruit. Passion fruits are available in the early or mid-fall months, and they grow in climates that are always warm. The taste is a bit sour, but riper passion fruit tends to be on the sweeter and highly fragrant side. You can incorporate passion fruit into acai bowls, smoothies, and juices. They are naturally rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. Experiment with these 7 fall fruits to put a healthy new spin on your dishes this autumn season. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.